You got the eggs back.
Let go my eggs, you pigs.
You take that pack. Let it.
Oh!
Life is full of egg surprises.
Oh! Did it go in the water?
You got the eggs back.
Let go my eggs, you pigs.
You take that pack. Let it.
Oh!
Take that, King Leonard. Take that, King Leonard.
Oh, missed.
Hey, don't do that. Let's go. Let's take them. Let's go. King Leonard. Almost.
Oh.
He got the piggy.
Whoa.
He got the piggy. Almost. And it's slingshot. Oh. Take the eggs.
Okay, ready?
Wait.
Okay, so we're just going to lunch on the eggs.
Wait. Where's the King Leonard?
Oh.
You take the eggs back. I'm not that. Okay. What are you guys doing? Oh, nothing. Just put lunches in there. I got them. Hurry. There, I got you.